Hi everyone! Join me in this tutorial video as I unveil the secret of our cutting-edge 3D editor. With our user-friendly interface and fluid control, you will be amazed on how you can bring your imagination to reality. Let's go! You are now on the workspace where you can start to create your planogram. The space here is represented by a square. One square is 1 meter by 1 meter, which represents 1 square meter. 10 square represent 100 square meter, and the whole space represents 400 square meter. On the left side, you have the toolbar, and on the right side, you have the catalog. To zoom on the workspace, click on Z on your keyboard, click on the grid plus Hold, and drag your mouse to zoom in or zoom out. To move on the workspace, click on Space on your keyboard, click on the grid plus Hold and drag your mouse to move. To orbit, click on X on your keyboard, click on the grid plus Hold and drag your mouse to move. Let's see now how you can create a store. To start building the wall, click on Edit, then on Draw New POS, and select Draw Outline. You will be able to select the dimension you want for your store, or you can either put a specific dimension by double-clicking on the wall. You can also change the shape of your store by clicking on the blue dot on each corner of the store. You can now start to choose the color you want to add to your store, so the external or internal wall. It will add a realistic dimension to your planogram. On the left toolbar, you will find many options to help you work on your planogram. On Edit, you can first click on Select to select any item on your workspace. Then you can click on Move if you want to move any item. You just need to hold and drag the item wherever you want. Then you can click on Rotate if you want your item to do a rotation. You can click on Scale and change the dimension of it. Each size has a different color. You simply need to hold and drag up and down if you want to change the dimension. You can easily duplicate an item by selecting it. Press M on your keyboard, hold the Shift and hold your mouse click. You just need to drag it out, release click and Shift, and now your item is duplicated. You can also add an accessory if you want to. Let's add this cap. You can change the cap behavior by selecting it and clicking on T on your keyboard. You can also select the whole mannequin and press T on your keyboard to change his pose. To hang something on the health bar, you just need to select the item that you want and click on it, and as you can see, it's automatically hanging. You can easily duplicate an item by using the duplication option, and so you can build quicker your planogram. It's the same when you want to fold the top, for example. Let's take this t-shirt. And as you can see, it's automatically fold. If you select it and press T on your keyboard, the folding will change. So you can select the one that you want. You can duplicate your t-shirt to create a pill. And then select the whole pill and duplicate it. So it's also quicker for you when you want to create your guideline. You can easily replace an item. If you select the whole peel by clicking on the t-shirt at the bottom, it will select the whole peel. Then you can click on the double arrow on the corner here, and the t-shirt will automatically be replaced. Here the number indicates you how many items are on the guideline, and if you click on it, you will focus on the item. Let's focus now on how you can organize your table. Draw a square around your items and click on Organize on the left toolbar. You can either select a line, there is a gray square appearing, then if you move your mouse, you can select the alignment, or you can click on Distribute. There is the same gray square, and as you can see, you can move your mouse to distribute the peel with the same space between each. If you click on Group, your 3 peels will be grounded as a whole, perfectly distribute and align, but you can also click on Ungroup to ungroup them.
Well done! The ball is in your court now. See you soon on IWD.